Hello, my name is Brian Hill, and I'm a founder and principal at Two Hills CPAs. We started our business about 5 years ago, and we've helped a number of clients with their financial and tax needs. We help clients with their basic accounting and all their required filings for income and sales and payroll tax. And we found that throughout the years, one of the most enjoyable things about what we do is working with the clients and helping them gain an understanding of the financial aspects of their business and work with them on making those decisions. We think by working closely together, both we get the opportunity to work with them, and it's very rewarding for the clients in terms of they get that understanding and can have the right information to make their business decisions. Yeah, I think there's two things. I think first, it's a very personal and customized attention to our clients. We really value that relationship. It's one that we're here year-round and available year-round for our clients. I think the second one is we constantly are growing and learning, whether that applies for the technology and taking on new technology as fast as we can, or researching new tax codes, or staying up on new industries or industry changes. We constantly, through myself and my employees, we really take time to learn and grow and make sure that we're developing as individuals, and we think that helps our clients as well. Well, the first one would be have a very good understanding of your financials. Obviously, that's easy to say as a CPA firm, know your financials, but we've seen businesses that come in and they know for example, they know their gross margins very well, and they know, okay, we need to have this many clients, or we have to have this much in revenue to maintain all of our costs. So knowing those very well and having up-to-date financial information and accurate financial information, I think, is critical to running a successful business. Cash is king. Having the flexibility, having enough working capital in your company, so whether that's 3 to 6 months of business, was what we estimate on that. So having that cash that you can sustain any ups and downs and stay in business, so having that cash on hand. Outside of some of the financials, we just find having great relationships and providing really good service to our clients has been really important for us. We really care and take an interest in our clients, and I think that matters. If you really feel passionate about your clients and what you're doing, I think you'll do a much better job at it. Yeah, well, it definitely, the first year was pretty quiet. So we founded together in 2011, and the initial firm, I think with us, we started fairly conservatively in terms of just the two of us, and we used Office Evolution's conference rooms, and we kind of kept our costs down and met with clients. I think by working with a lot of clients, or working with some clients and providing great service early on, we started to get a lot of referrals, and so that really helped us build our business. And we just kind of started slowly, and then each year we would kind of do the processes as we do with our clients, of planning out what's the next year going to look like, what's our revenue going to look like, what do we need so that we can provide a high level of service to our clients, and trying to think ahead and plan that out. We think that there will be, more and more of the process will be automated. The tools are getting better and better, whereas when they started, some of the automated tools just weren't there yet, and they needed a lot of hand-holding. They're getting much more efficient, and a lot of it is just works. So really, it kind of moves towards how can we look forward, how can we help you plan, how can we get you the right information at the right time and make sure it's accurate. And really playing that role more than a technical role for them. One of our key core values at our company is growth, and we really feel that applies to our people, our processes, and our technology. So we're continuously trying to improve in each of those areas. Obviously, we started from the ground up, and so we had very little in place to begin with, and as we've learned more about our business and about our clients' needs, we've continually taken on new processes and improved, making our business more efficient, and we think we can pass a lot of that knowledge on to the client, whether it's in terms of helping them grow their business or in the services and the products that they receive from us. When we started, our need was primarily for office space to meet clients. So we started with just using some of the meeting rooms, and that worked great for us at the time because our kept our expenses down, and we still had a professional image and good support for call answering and that kind of thing. After about the first year, we were looking at the next tax season, and we said, wow, we need to be available for the drop-ins, and we need to be there most of the time, and we're getting enough that we just need to have a space. And so we said, hey, let's go ahead and go with full-time space, and we did that, and that worked great for another year or two. And then we found we reached the volume that we couldn't handle it on our own. So at that point, we decided we needed another staff member. And we went ahead and hired another staff member at that time and needed another office for her. So we added an office, and then the next tax season we thought we need 2 more people, and so we added another office at that point. And so it was great. We were able to grow and just have our space needs matched there by Office Evolution. I think probably the big thing is being able to use 2 locations. So as a small firm, we were able to expand our geography significantly between both the Golden and Denver markets, which we wouldn't have been able to do with a different kind of space. So that was very important. And then just having the facilities and the staff, and I think everybody, we really felt taken care of. And then, we had a lot of clients would call last minute and say, hey, I'd like to come in. And so having office meeting space available, both Constance and Jan at the Golden office always helped us out, find something last minute. So that was very helpful. And I think whether it's information coming in, it always got to us and got to us in a timely manner. So I think that was really important for our business.